Welcome to VLearn. This is session 10 of direct and network marketing. Today we are going to cover different topics like free India concept, no direct selling and marketing, lifelong income concept, business which can be inherited, benefits of free India concept. Then we will cover network marketing process, network marketing steps, key values in the marketing, how to teach downline, illegal pyramid scheme versus early symptoms of a dropout, 15 basics item with your downline, be available concept and teach the basics. These are the concepts that we are going to cover in today's sessions. Let us cover all these concepts one by one. So the first topic of today's session is free India concept. In free India concept, there are different sub-concepts that will be the part of free India concept. And the first step in this is no direct selling and marketing, no business targets, unlimited income growth with little effort. This is the free India concept. Immediate common benefits to add value to your life. How free India concept is a lifelong income source. A business which can be inherited. All these concepts collectively give rise to the free India concepts. No direct selling versus marketing. We introduce a concept where you need not sell or market any product so as to earn your income. All you have to do is to purchase a product of your choice from our list of optional products and recommend the same concept to your friends and relatives. No direct selling and marketing concept is a very wonderful concept. इसमें सिंपली आपको क्या करना है, आपने एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट को चूज करना है उस लिस्ट में से जो जितने भी हमारे पास ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं, और उस प्रोडक्ट को जो आपने चूज किए हैं उसको अपने जिस भी पर्सन को आप जानते हैं, चाहे वो आपका रिलेटिव है, फ्रेंड है, रिश्तेदार है या कोई कलीग है, पड़ोसी है, किसी को भी उस कॉन्सेप्ट को रिकमेंड करना है या उस पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट के लिए रिकमेंड करना है. The way of selling this sort of product is called as a no direct selling or marketing concept. Another concept that was given by the free India concept is no business targets. Means set your own income target. आपको बिजनेस के टारगेट रखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आप अपने टारगेट सेट कीजिए. There are no fixed target for you to achieve. You have to set your own goals and targets of your income. आपको जिस दिन लगता है कि आप ज़्यादा इनकम अर्न कर सकते हैं, better you fix your target accordingly. And your income depends on number of new people sponsored into your network. कितने नंबर ऑफ पीपल ऐड होते हैं आपके इस नेटवर्क में, उसके हिसाब से आपकी इनकम उस बात पे डिपेंड करती है. जिस तरह से एमवे कंपनी है, उसमें नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू आपका नंबर ऑफ इनकम रेशियो जो है वो डे बाय डे इंक्रीज होता है. अनलिमिटेड ग्रोथ विद लिटिल एफर्ट. दिस इज द अनदर कॉन्सेप्ट. द यूनिक बिजनेस इनकम प्लान दैट वाज डिजाइन्ड बाय द कंपनी ensures unlimited income growth with minimum effort. जब आप इस फ्री इंडिया के कॉन्सेप्ट को, जिसमें हम अनलिमिटेड इंडिया ग्रोथ की बात करते हैं, by putting a small amount of effort into the business income plan, you can generate a big business margin. Next concept that was given by the free India concept is lifelong income. The unique business plan ensures lifelong income to all its network distributors. जो भी इसमें डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली नेटवर्क डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर का पार्ट है, उसको एक यूनिक बिजनेस सेलिंग प्लान इंश्योर करना होता है। Business which can be inherited. One of the special feature of our concept is that the business can be inherited to your spouse, children, dependents and relatives. ये वो कॉन्सेप्ट है बिजनेस का जिसमें आप अपने ही बिजनेस को एक्सपेंड कर सकते हैं बाय स्प्रेडिंग दैट बिजनेस अप टू योर स्पाउस, चिल्ड्रन, डिपेंडेंट्स एंड इवन रिलेटिव्स। आप अपने ही नेटवर्क को एक्सपेंड करते हैं। दैट इज वाई इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ बिजनेस दैट कैन बी इनहेरिटेड। नाउ व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ द फ्री इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट्स? लेट अस डिस्कस दिस थिंग। The immediate common benefits which will add value to your life is the unique business plan that is specifically designed and generates immediate income with which all immediate necessities of your life can be fulfilled. यूनिक बिजनेस प्लान किस तरह से डिज़ाइन किया गया है, किस तरह से जनरेट की गई है उसमें इनकम, ये बहुत मैटर करता है इस बेनिफिट्स ऑफ फ्री इंडिया कॉन्सेप्ट्स में। नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग प्रोसेस। नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग इज अ वेरी ह्यूज कॉन्सेप्ट। इट कवर्स a large horizon of implementation, and for the implementation of this networking concept, network marketing process is required. Network marketing process basically requires 5 steps to network marketing success. नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग को सक्सेसफुल बनाने के हमारे पास 5 स्टेप्स हैं। फर्स्ट वन इज क्रिएट योर एटीट्यूड। स्टेप नंबर 2, राइट योर वैल्यूज, ड्रीम्स एंड गोल्स। थर्ड स्टेप, गेन द बेसिक नॉलेज। जिस चीज़ की आप मार्केटिंग कर रहे हैं आपको उसके बारे में प्रॉपर नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, बेसिक पैरामीटर्स के बारे में पता होना चाहिए। स्टेप नंबर 4, अंडरस्टैंड द बिजनेस फाइनेंस। जिस पर्टिकुलर बिजनेस के रिगार्डिंग आप मार्केटिंग करने जा रहे हैं उसके कुछ फाइनेंशियल प्लान्स के बारे में आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड दैट थिंग। नॉट ओनली अंडरस्टैंड, रादर यू हैव टू बिल्ड your prospect list out of that. This is step number 5. So basically in the network marketing process there are 5 steps. Create your attitude, write your values, dreams and goals, gain the basic knowledge, understand business finance, build your prospect list and all. Next is network marketing steps. किस ऑर्डर में क्या चीज़ चलनी चाहिए, दैट इज गिवन बाय द नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग स्टेप्स। नेटवर्क मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट बेसिकली इट इज अप्लाइड टू 3 levels of the management, whether it's a top management, middle management or lower management. Obviously it is true that the values and data that was given by the lower management is useful for the middle management, and ultimately the data which is being provided by the middle management it is useful for the top management. And top management focus on to the daily activities, while the middle management highly focus on to the dreams and goals of the organizations and how to achieve that goals. That is the major concern for the middle management, while the lower management is concerned with the values, ethics of the management which is applied at different levels. There are key values in the marketing. Key values are identified the 10 most suitable values for you. अगर आप मार्केटिंग में सर्वाइव करना चाहते हैं, बाईपास करना चाहते हैं अपने कॉम्पिटिटर्स को, तो इतने सारे पैरामीटर्स में यू हैव टू चूज एटलीस्ट 10 पैरामीटर्स which is more suitable for you and for your company. And the different parameters are like competence, contributors, excellence, fairness, family, financial securities, frugality, giving, hardworking, honesty, humility. Innovation is another key value. Integrity, intellectual property, leadership, neatness, organized, perseverance, personal growth, physical health, playfulness, and of course positive attitude, productive future, selfishness, self efficacy, sincerity, spiritual growth, stability, thoughtfulness, tolerance, tranquility, truthfulness. All these parameters are actually responsible for the marketing because it plays a important role in the marketing. All these key parameters which are helpful in the marketing are not available in a single place. Rather, they must be searched at different levels to reach their concrete point. Now, the question arises that how to teach downline. आप अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स को कैसे ट्रेन करेंगे, कैसे टीचिंग प्रोवाइड करेंगे. दिस इज अ बिजनेस ऑफ डुप्लीकेशन. समझाने के लिए आपको बताना होगा कि बिजनेस में मल्टीप्लीकेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट चलता है बिकॉज दिस इज अ बिजनेस ऑफ डुप्लीकेशन. एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू डबल योर प्रॉफिट, you have to double your labor, you have to double your time. Then teach the basics. Every organization is having some defined profiles, and that policies, procedure, profiles must be defined explicitly to teach the basics of the computers. Another concept that was given by the top management to the downline is be available. In the later part of this session we will discuss it in the detail, that what do you understand by the be available concept. To learn anything or to teach anything, there are three parameters that are explicitly or exclusively required. The first one is abilities, second is skills, and the third is knowledge. Knowledge is a transferable asset, and by having the answer of these questions we will be able to have the attitude of doing the thing, solving the problems, and finally to get transfer of the knowledge from one part of the organization to another part. Right? So learning and teaching is a by process which carries out simultaneously, side by side. At certain parameter, learning and teaching are basically interconnecting each other, and at some other point they are similar to each other also. By providing the appropriate guidelines to the team at the right time, this provided teaching as well as the guidelines will act as a great tool in the hands of the manager or subordinate also. So provide the right kind of information, sufficient type of information at right time to the right people is called as a teaching tool. So teaching is a excellent tool which helps the other people in the hierarchy to solve their problems, to resolve their issues, and to ultimately define the problem. Next step is illegal pyramid scheme versus early symptoms of a product dropouts. Illegal pyramid scheme involves the asking of lots of questions. It also involves writing down of the goals. आपको बहुत सारे questions put up किए जाते हैं आपके सामने. Illegal pyramid scheme में आपको अपना goal लिखना होता है. Start thinking of a prospect list immediately. जो भी आपको better prospects लगते हैं उस particular scheme के regarding, वहाँ पर आपको सोचना होता है under the illegal pyramid scheme. उसके बाद loves it when upline calls. जब भी आपको अपलाइन कॉल आएगी तो आपको उस चीज को अंडरस्टैंड करना. जब भी आपके पास कॉल आएगी तो आपको उसको अंडरस्टैंड करना है. loves it when upline calls. You have to keep in mind the illegal pyramid scheme and you should support it. Calls, prospection and upline daily होना चाहिए. Is every coachable really listens. Next is illegal pyramid scheme has a dream. Another early symptoms of a dropout are ask few or no questions. या तो उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछो ही नहीं, और अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं तो it must be very less in numbers. It should not write down goals. This early symptoms of a dropout never involves the writing of a particular goal to a paper. Next step is see and say, what can I do for you? That is when can line-ups. मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? That is the another symptoms of a dropout. Makes few if any calls. Says or thinks I will do it my way. There are 15 basics item with your down line. मीन्स ये वो 15 पैरामीटर्स हैं जो हमें अपने सबऑर्डिनेट्स लेवल पे टीच करने होते हैं, बताने होते हैं, so that people can understand them. Not only understand, rather they should implement the same at the organization level. Right? So the first part or the first item of this basics item is goals. Are your goals tangible and exciting? Without goals, why go through the tough times? आप बिजनेस में इतना डाउन लेवल पे कैसे जा रहे हैं? So according to the 15 basics concepts, you should have to set your goals first in advance in a tangible and an exciting way. Second basics item for the downline is use the product. Do you use all the product and love them? आपने जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स अभी तक प्रोड्यूस किए हैं क्या आप उन सबको प्यार करते हैं? Without belief in the product that they will not get far. It means use the product that you have created. Next point of item for the downline is prospect list or no or number of daily calls आप maintain करके रखेंगे. Do you have a long prospect list? Are you making numerous calls per day? Nothing replaces massive action. Knowledge about products and company. Are you learning all about the company and the products? So this 15 basic steps for the downline also includes to have a knowledge about the products and the company who is going to offer these products. They comes under the knowledge about products and company. Next is inventory. Before proceeding further, you have to ensure that do you have inventory appropriate to your goals. आप जिन गोल्स को अचीव करना चाहते हैं उसके रिगार्डिंग आपके पास स्टोरेज की पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से आपके पास सफिशिएंट इन्वेंट्री अवेलेबल है या नहीं है. डू यू हैव एन इन्वेंट्री लेवल दैट कुड बी सोल्ड इन 1 month. आपके पास इतना स्पेस है कि आप इतना सामान इकट्ठा करके लगे ताकि आगे आने वाले 1 महीने में उस सामान को बेचा जा सकता है. इफ यस, देन यू आर हैविंग द sufficient inventory for the same. Next, the most empowering point with respect to the basics items for the downline is the training. Do you go to the meetings and training regularly and avail yourself of every training tool possible? The more training, the more chance of success. जितनी ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग होगी उतनी ज़्यादा मीटिंग्स होंगी, उतना ज़्यादा डिस्कशन होगा, उतनी ज़्यादा अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्रिएट होगी, एंड अल्टीमेटली चांसेस ऑफ सक्सेस विल कीप ऑन इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे if the proper training at right time is provided to the right person. So training provides an excellent way to provide the training at different levels so that training leads to success. Next is tapes. Do you know about the latest tapes? Much of the learning and recruiting occurs through audio tape because tapes are efficient. अब हमारा सिस्टम और द वे ऑफ वर्किंग कुछ इस टाइप से होगा कि हम हर काम के लिए या हर चीज़ की लर्निंग के लिए we can make use of the tapes. And tapes is a kind of storage device which helps to train the people at different level. Another is personal volume or retail customer. Do you have an appropriate level of personal sales volume coming in part from retail customer? This is the backbone of your business. If you are having the appropriate level of personal sales, अगर आपके पास sufficient amount में persons available हैं जो कि sales volume को increase कर सकते हैं, so that could be a kind of backbone for the business. Next is recruiting. Next guiding principle to the downline is recruitment or recruiting. Do you know how you recruit? That is, role play with your upline helps to build skills. रोल प्ले से हम रिक्रूटमेंट करके देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज हैंडलिंग ऑब्जेक्शंस एंड क्लोजिंग. डू यू नो हाउ टू हैंडल ऑब्जेक्शंस? आर यू अफ्रेड टू क्लोज? अगेन, रोल प्लेइंग इज ए पावरफुल टीचिंग टूल. रोल प्ले करने से चीज़ें ज़्यादा क्लियर होती हैं, ज़्यादा बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग होती है. इसीलिए इसको बोला गया है कि रोल प्ले इज ए काइंड ऑफ पावरफुल टीचिंग टूल. इफ यू वांट टू टीच देम, then better to provide them a role play feature so that a better understanding can be grasped. 3-way calling with upline. Do you have 3 ways calling on your phone? 3-way calling allows you to learn how to make calls live in real time. किस तरह से आप अपने कॉलिंग को लाइव कॉलिंग में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. फर्स्ट टाइम विद योर अपलाइन, later you teach your downtime, and line which are you on call with their product and they can listen in. So this is the way which helps to call at different levels. Honoring upline. Do you honor your upline? जो आपके बॉस हैं, आपने कभी उनको ऑनर प्रोवाइड किया? You do not need to love or even like your upline, but it is important to treat them with respect and keep communication open. आप अपने अपलाइन पीपल्स को पसंद करते हैं या नहीं पसंद करते हैं. इट इज नॉट द मैटर टू डिस्कस हियर. Rather the important point जिसको हमें ध्यान रखना है कि always respect your superiors or your upline managers and keep the communication open. Don't discuss anything in a closed manner. It should be shared to all people and you should show respect towards them. Next point of discussion is staying connected with the organization. Always stay connected with the organization and to your upline, to your downline and to corporate. For this thing, just to stay connected with the organization, you should actively participate in the meetings and gatherings at a regular basis. Do not underestimate the power of staying connected. आप इस चीज को अंडर एस्टिमेट मत कीजिए कि आप जितना समय तक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से जुड़े रहेंगे यू विल गेट द बेनिफिट फॉर दैट थिंग. नो, बट स्टे कनेक्टेड with the help of meetings and other gatherings and on a regular basis, so that this participation will help to understand the things in a much better way and to ensure the accountability and the line of authority also. Next and the most important concept of today's session is be available concept. Now let us learn that what is the worth of implementing be available concept. Now the final area that you should keep your eye on in working with your downline is that you should be available. जब आपके subordinates या आपके downline people आपको approach करना चाहते हैं so you must be available. This is the worth of implementing be available concept. Now let us learn how this concept is to be taken care or it's to be understand. Be available concept means that you have a way to get message when you are not present and that you answer those messages quickly. अगर आप अवेलेबल हैं तो आप उन क्वेश्चंस का आंसर क्विकली दे पाएंगे और अगर आप अवेलेबल नहीं हैं तो आपको उन चीज़ों के आंसर्स कहीं और से ग्रैस्प करने पड़ेंगे. Here the leadership lives here. Now that is why at the organization level primary honor and secondary honor are defined and it depends upon the leadership skills also. How you have structured the thing, how you have defined the thing, how the data is moving from one part to another part of the organization, and for the smooth functionality of the organization, first honor or primary honor and secondary honors are defined. That was also the concept that was given by the be available concept. It means that you do 3 ways calls with your downline. It means that you are present at all meetings. Be available concept के according you should be available in the meeting at all times. It means that you give your downline the feeling and the knowledge that they are important to you. आप अपने downline employees को ये feeling करवा सकते हैं that they are very much important to you and their issues and concerns actually matters for them. This sort of feeling is the crux part of be available concept. Another basics that we must follow with the downline team is by increasing their self-esteem. To ensure this, we must ask this sort of question with ourselves that are we working on increasing our self-esteem or are you working on increasing your self-esteem? We can all increase our self-esteem. This is important in part because this is a business of attracting other people and others are attractive to those who like themselves. maintaining a positive attitude. Another important factor which actually helps in the marketing is maintaining a positive attitude. Do you monitor your basic attitude? Once the business information is understood, the biggest challenge is to keep a positive attitude. So, at the downline, we need to focus on those issues which can ultimately bring changes in the attitude, and we must add those parameters which ultimately generates the positive attitude. And sometimes to teach these basic attitudes, teaching must be done as a basic requirement of all the people, whether they belongs to the downline or upline. So according to the teach basic concept, what each new distributor and what each senior distributor actually needs is the basics. Teach and remind them of setting goals, making enough calls daily, building reports, handling objections and closing. Remember, repetition is a good teacher. अगर आप किसी चीज को बार बार रिपीट करते हैं, it's a kind of reminder, and by repeating the same thing again and again, the things are stuffed into the mind, so it becomes a good teacher basically. So teaching of the basics basically involves to add a kind of reminder in terms of setting goals, in terms of making calls. आप अपना गोल्स को बार बार डिफाइन कीजिए, उसको अचीव करने के रिगार्डिंग इनफ कॉल्स अप्लाई कीजिए ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. बिल्ड द कोरस्पॉन्डिंग रिपोर्ट्स, उसके बेसिस पे जो भी आपने डेली कॉल्स किए उसके बेसिस पे जो डेटा डिराइव किया गया है आफ्टर कॉलिंग, you must build the reports accordingly, and if any sort of objection is raised, then that must be handled. This sort of training should also be provided in the teaching of the basics and how to close these parameters, those issues, and this thing is possible by repetition only. So teaching is a good skill that must be inherited at different levels. According to some survey, it was observed that when you hear something, you learn only 5% of that thing. When you write, the ratio of grasping it becomes 10%. If you read and write, then the ratio of understanding becomes 30%. If you discuss the same thing during learning, the ratio of understanding at the downline becomes 50%. And when the students or downline employees or subordinates, they do the demos, they attend the demo, they perform the mocks for the same, then the ratio of understanding becomes 75%. And when they teach others, when downline people, they teach the upline people, then what actually occurs? Their level of understanding keep on increasing day by day. And according to that survey that was conducted onto the learning skills, it was observed that the learning ratio by teaching others reaches to the 96% of the total learning. So it is a wonderful concept that was given by the network marketing, that to teach your downline or subordinates, we must follow this strategy that always discuss, demonstrate the things before actually doing that thing, so that if understanding will be clear, then a better imaginations can be generated, better decisions can be derived. In this way, we are actually able to understand the things, and when the things are clear, then the decision corresponding to that will also be right. So this was the thing that was given by the teaching basics. Now before we end this session, there is a do it yourself exercise for you. In the first part of this session, this do it yourself exercise, you have to define no selling and marketing concept. You have to write the 10 points for the same. Second question is about the benefits of Free India concept. Question 3, define Be Available concept. So before we wind up, let's take a revision tour that what we have covered in today's session, and that revision tour will ultimately help us to get an idea which will help us to get a better understanding of the whole things that we have covered in today's sessions. In today's sessions we have covered the Free India concept, which is revolving around the basics of marketing concepts. Then we have emphasized on to the income part. Different sorts of business can be inherited. Then it was discussed in the Free India concept about the benefits of the Free India concepts. Then we have covered the network marketing process, which is a 5-step process, which is actually the crux of the whole marketing process, which directly take part in building the better marketing team. Then we covered the network marketing steps also. Key values that are always considered as a core values in the marketing that we have covered. Out of many parameters, leadership, excellence, honesty, physical health, sincerity, self-sufficiency, productiveness and tolerance are those core values which actually take part in the marketing. Downline teaching methodologies was covered. What are the 3 things which actually contribute in the learning of the things? That is skills, abilities and knowledge. How learning and teaching are associated with each other. Teaching is a tool. It was discussed in detail in the current session. Then we have discussed about the illegal pyramid scheme versus early symptoms of a dropout. The most important part of today's session was 15 basics items that must be followed with your downline, and that is the crux of the whole story about the direct marketing. Then we have focused over the Be Available concept, which brings about the revolutionary kind of changes in the marketing, in the network marketing basically. How leadership differentiates among each other, how it plays an important role in teaching the things to their down level at their up level also. What are the teaching basics, how it will help the organization to grow, how the participation ratio can enhance the understanding of the employees, subordinates or downline. That was the interesting part that we have covered in today's session. Apart from this, we have also discussed some statistics about the grasping power of the subordinates or downline people, which actually helps in building that strategy which will help them to teach the thing or to learn the things basically. So with this we are going to finish this session. Thank you.